This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to send PayPal to GCash. We will cover the entire process, from linking your accounts to successfully completing your first withdrawal in just a few simple steps. This guide provides clear instructions, helping you move your funds efficiently and securely. You will understand each necessary step to make your transfers easy and convenient, usually completing within a few moments. The initial step involves linking your PayPal account directly within the GCash application. Open your GCash app, then locate the Cash In option and select PayPal from the available choices. You will then enter your PayPal email and password to securely authorize the connection between the two services. This secure link is essential for all future transactions. Once your accounts are linked, initiating a transfer is straightforward. Navigate back to the GCash Cash-In menu and tap on the PayPal option once more. You will then input the specific amount you wish to withdraw from your PayPal balance. Always verify that the amount is correct and available before proceeding, ensuring a smooth transaction. Before finalizing your transfer, carefully review all the details displayed on your screen. Confirm the amount, the sender, and the recipient information to prevent any errors. Be aware that PayPal might apply a conversion fee, typically around 2.5%, if you are transferring funds between different currencies. Most transfers process within 24 to 48 hours, with many completing instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.